Visitor visa applications, why you keep getting refused and how to get it right. Hi there, thanks for joining. Applying for a visitor visa to Canada might seem simple, but the truth is, refusals are extremely common. And if you've already been refused once, your chances don't automatically get better the next time. Let's talk about what makes or breaks your application and how you can improve your odds. A visitor visa, also called a temporary resident visa, or TRV, allows someone to visit Canada temporarily for tourism, family visits, or short-term business. But remember, it's a privilege, not a right. The officers reviewing your file must be satisfied that you will leave Canada when your visit is over. If they're not sure, you'll be refused. To convince IRCC you're a genuine visitor, you must prove the following: ties to your home country, such as job, property, school enrollment, and dependent families; financial ability, like bank statements, pay stubs, sponsor support, if applicable; and purpose of visit, invitations, letters, itinerary, even tickets. Travel history is also important, such as visas and stamps from other countries help show you follow rules. Even one weak area, like unclear purpose or low financial support, can trigger a refusal. Refusals often come with vague wording like insufficient ties to home country, unclear purpose of visit, lack of travel history, not satisfied you will leave Canada. Sometimes it's not even what you said, it's what you didn't include. We don't just fill out forms, we build a full story around your visit. We help you gather the right evidence, present it clearly, and overcome past refusals if needed. We've handled visitor visas for parents, business travelers, spouses waiting for sponsorship, and even people with complex travel histories. If you want to visit Canada without the stress of a refusal, let us handle your application with care. Contact us today. We'll be happy to help. Thank you, and until next time.